In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list in Microsoft To Do. If you're looking to organize your tasks, projects, or routines more clearly, creating separate lists in Microsoft To Do is a simple and effective way to keep everything tidy. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from the moment you open the app to confirming your new list, with tips to help you choose a name that actually works for you. First, open the Microsoft To Do app. When it launches, you'll land on the main list screen where all your existing lists are displayed. This is your hub for organization. If the app looks a little different depending on your device, don't worry. The layout may vary slightly, but the core actions are the same. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen for the option labeled New List with a plus symbol. Go ahead and tap the plus New List button. This tells the app you want to create a new space to group related tasks. Think of lists like folders. Each one holds tasks that belong together, whether that's work, personal, groceries, trip planning, or anything you need to manage. After tapping New List, the app will prompt you to enter a name. Type the name of the list that best describes what you're organizing. Clear specific names make your planning easier. For example, instead of something generic like stuff, you might try weekend errands, Q2 objectives, or home renovation. If you're creating multiple lists, consider using consistent naming patterns so they're easy to scan later. Don't worry if you're unsure at first, you can always rename the list later as your needs evolve. Once you've entered the name and you're happy with it, finalize it by tapping the check mark on your on-screen keyboard. This confirms the title and creates the list instantly. On some devices, this checkmark may appear as done or a similar confirmation icon. It serves the same purpose. After you confirm, your new list will appear alongside your other lists on the main screen, ready to hold your tasks whenever you're ready to add them. That's all it takes. Open Microsoft To Do, tap plus New List at the bottom of the list screen, type a meaningful name, and then tap the checkmark on your keyboard to confirm. With just a few taps, you've set up a dedicated space to keep your work and life organized. If you repeat this process for different areas of your day, you'll quickly build a clear, focused system that makes it easier to stay on top of everything.